that plastic crap is broken. That holder toilet stuff, and that crappy bolts, for crappy plastic bolts they make big holes in toilet, do you see? But I decide to buy on Amazon metal. You can screw pin in this one or this one, but I use on the last one. That's so toilet will be sit better. You see, I put, yeah, it will be a little bit hole, but I don't care that, because this stuff will be sit here straight. Oh, that's I drill that, so that's dirt because drill. So it's sit over here, good one. So what you need to do, so this like custom made metal, and do you see this old one picture? So you need to drill new holes for this one. On a cover I put one hole original, another one I drill by this one. You see, you first, before you put screw, you need to make hole, so that screw will be better hold. This one I used this. You see, as this hole is big one for this pin, it will be play. So what I do, I use electric tape over here. So I cut pieces. I am truck driver, so I have hose. I found hose in my garage. I cut on this size. I put like that, it will be sit over here, but I will put tape. Okay, do you see? Oh, that's good. Hold good, no play. Now I will put tape over here. Maybe you can find another hose and it will be fit better, but I do like that, like I show you previous. Let's fit that over here. See? Okay, that's fit. Oh, come on. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that fit good. That's probably, I put a lot tape. Okay, I need to remove a little bit tape from here. Let's see. Yeah, this tricky a little bit, need to do that, but I will do that. It will be stay forever because it's metal, no more broken. Even big ass will sit here, never broken. Oh, that's good. Do you see? That's like I show you, that stay here, because if you put on middle, pin on middle, I show you that previous, your seat will be going there, and when this is going there, your seat will be falling down. So now it sits stay. Okay, good. Now I will screw that and tight. Okay, Olivia helped me to screw that seat. You okay there? Okay, good. I will tighten this side. I do not put, it's up to you, but I do not put this plastic. I don't like that. Why? Because
two holes.
Yeah, no, it's because a lot stuff, plastic, it's I don't like that. It's better, it's easy to clean like that, okay? You just clean that by wipe and it's it. Because dirt will be stay under plastic, dirt will be stay under this one. I don't like that, so we clean that. Do you see, its toilet is very clean, so we always cleaning that. How is your
hand?
How is your, is going good?
Yeah.
Careful. Yeah, I put that I put that plastic it's bad, right? Plastic, so it's better without plastic, right? Okay. So that plastic washer, plastic washer is no good, right? So that another toilet we put without plastic washer, and but this plastic washer is not. It's complicated to screw that. How is yours?
Almost done.
Almost done? You screwed it? You tied? Let me see. Oh my God! Olivia, how you did that? Oh man, this was difficult. But watch that. Nothing play. Okay, so stay like that. Yeah, it's never broken again.